How can you protect your privacy in DNA databases? Imagine your genetic information as a secret code that could unlock a lot about you. Now, think about who might want to see that code and how it could be used. Protecting your privacy in DNA databases is really important, especially with all the advances in forensic science and true crime investigations. One way to keep your data safe is through pseudonymization. This means replacing your personal details, like your name, with a random number or code before your DNA is stored. So, if someone looks at the database, they see only a code, not your real identity. Your actual name and details are kept separately in a secure location. This way, even if someone hacks the database, they cannot connect your DNA to you unless they have special access to the secret list. Legal rules also play a big role. Laws often requiring law enforcement to get a court order before they can access your identity linked to a DNA sample. This means your DNA can only be used for investigations when a judge approves it. Laws prevent misuse, like using DNA to discriminate against someone or for purposes unrelated to solving crimes. Data security measures are also vital. Encryption is used to scramble your information so that only authorized people can read it. Sensitive data is stored offline or in highly protected servers. Access controls limit who can see or change the data, making sure only trusted personnel handle it. Labs that process DNA samples follow strict procedures to avoid mistakes that could wrongly match someone to a crime scene. Another important point is that DNA used in forensic investigations usually only includes markers that do not reveal health or personal traits. This means the DNA profiles focus only on regions of the genome that help identify individuals without exposing sensitive health information. This reduces the risk of discrimination based on genetic traits. Transparency and oversight are also key. People whose DNA is stored should know how their data is being used. They should have the right to request removal if they want. Regular audits and checks help ensure the system is not misused or mishandled. Think of these protections like security guards for your genetic data. They keep your information safe from hackers and prevent law enforcement from using it improperly. These steps help balance the power of DNA evidence in solving crimes with respecting your privacy rights. To sum up, protecting your privacy involves pseudonymization, legal restrictions, strong cybersecurity, limiting the types of DNA markers used, and maintaining transparency. These measures work together to make sure your genetic information is safe while still allowing forensic science to do its job effectively.